In this video, I'll show you how to create a unique Christmas ornament, a hollow wooden sphere with a tiny Christmas tree inside. You'll need a wooden block about 2 to 3 inches across as the starting point for the sphere. Depending on how large we want the opening in the center of the ornament, we select the right drill bit size. For sides, we carefully drill holes all the way to the center of the block. Once the 4 larger holes are drilled, we continue with the remaining 2 smaller ones, one at the top and the other at the bottom. Since holes are drilled on all 6 sides of the block, we use a special wooden adapter for mounting and turning the sphere. One end of the adapter fits securely into the chuck of the lathe, while the other end aligns with the smaller hole in the block. Now we can begin turning the sphere. To keep the wood around the openings intact, it's best to finish shaping the sphere by sanding with angle grinder. Once the sphere is finished, we move on to making the finials. We start by turning a cylinder from the piece of wood. We begin shaping the top finial, into which we will later screw a metal eye. This will serve as the attachment point for hanging the ornament on the Christmas tree. Once the finial's shape is formed, we sand its surface. Since I started shaping the finial from a piece of wood that is too long, I need to shorten the workpiece to the proper length before continuing. For the top finial, we only need to shape the final detail so that it fits precisely into the mounting hole. With that, we have finished making the top finial. Now we begin turning the larger, bottom finial. With both finials completed, we move on to crafting the tree that will be placed inside the sphere. When turning the tree, ensure its size fits neatly inside the sphere. Before starting the assembly, we must manually sand the inside of the sphere using a file. Using wood glue, we attach both finials to the sphere. To make the tree inside the sphere truly the centerpiece of the ornament, we cover it entirely with glitter. We achieve this by varnishing the tree first and then dusting it with glitter. While the glitter is drying, we proceed to drill a hole for mounting the metal eye. After fastening the metal eye into the top finial, we proceed to varnish the entire ornament. To highlight the natural beauty of the wood, we use a clear varnish. We varnish the ornament both inside and outside. Once the varnish is completely dry, we move on to the final step, mounting the tree inside the sphere. Since the tree is shaped to fit precisely into the opening at the bottom of the sphere, we simply glue it in place with wood glue. The ornament is finished and ready to brighten your Christmas tree. You can also use it in other ways, as part of a festive table decoration, or as a unique gift that carries the personal touch of handmade craftsmanship. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, give it a like and subscribe to the channel.